The Prius Prime and RAV4 Prime feature three distinct drive modes that give you control over how your vehicle uses its electric and gasoline power sources. These controls are located on your center console, giving you easy access to switch between different driving modes based on your needs. EV mode forces your vehicle to run solely on electric power from the battery. This mode is perfect for quiet city driving, short trips, and situations where you want zero emissions. EV mode has speed limitations, 84 miles per hour for the Prius Prime and 65 miles per hour for the RAV4 Prime. The system automatically switches to hybrid mode if the battery runs low or if you need more power than the electric motor can provide. HV Auto Mode is the intelligent default setting that automatically manages the balance between your electric motor and gasoline engine. This mode uses sophisticated algorithms to determine the most efficient power source for any given moment. The system continuously monitors your battery state of charge, current driving conditions, traffic patterns, and even climate control usage to make real-time decisions that maximize your overall fuel efficiency while maintaining performance. Charge Hold Mode preserves your current battery charge level by using the gasoline engine to power the vehicle. This strategic mode allows you to save your electric range for when you need it most. This mode is particularly useful when you're driving on the highway, but know you'll need electric power later for city driving, emissions-restricted zones, or situations where quiet operation is important. Understanding these three drive modes gives you complete control over your hybrid system. Each mode serves a specific purpose and can be selected based on your driving situation and efficiency goals. For daily commuting, start your trip in EV mode to maximize electric driving in city conditions. This strategy works best for trips under 40 miles, where you can complete most of your journey on battery power alone. On highways, engage Charge Hold Mode to preserve your battery charge. This maintains your current battery level using the gasoline engine, saving electric power for when you reach urban areas where EV mode is most efficient. In cold weather conditions, start your journey in HV Auto Mode to allow the engine to warm up the vehicle efficiently. Once the system is warmed up, you can switch to EV mode for optimal electric driving performance. For long-distance travel, use HV Auto Mode during highway portions for maximum fuel efficiency. About 30 miles before reaching your destination, engage Charge Hold to preserve battery power for quiet electric driving in urban areas. For optimal battery performance and longevity, maintain your battery charge between 20 and 80%. This range provides the best efficiency while preserving battery health over the long term. By strategically using these drive modes, Prius Prime drivers can achieve 85 to 95 miles per gallon, while RAV4 Prime drivers can reach 75 to 85 miles per gallon. This represents exceptional fuel efficiency compared to conventional vehicles. Proper mode management delivers significant environmental benefits. Strategic use of EV, HV Auto, and Charge Hold modes can reduce CO2 emissions by 60 to 70% compared to conventional gasoline vehicles, making a meaningful impact on air quality and climate change.